RPLA. That, of course, is Replay merging with Finance of America. We just had CEO Patty Cook on the show. They have set their merger vote date for March 25th. So again, this is one to keep an eye on as it's currently trading below net asset value going into that merger vote. So March 25th, RPLA, keep that one on watch. Our top mover on Friday, no surprise, CCIV, Churchill Capital 4, moving again. Shares were up 27% Friday. More optimism for that Lucid Motors rumor. We talk about this one a lot. I do still own shares, and we'll hit on this one again in our rumor segment. But no surprise, this one rocketing on Friday ahead of the long holiday weekend as people anticipating that deal to take place any time. Another big mover on Friday was CLMF. This was the bio SPAC that recently announced their merger target, and it was added to Cathie Wood's ARK ETFs on Thursday. So that one's showing strong support, from getting added to the ARK funds. No surprise again that one was up double digits on that news. Some movers we talked about on Friday's show. So new analyst ratings out there on several EV names. So Fisker, FSR, which I own shares in, were up 23% on Friday on that initiation and positive call. And then Ride, Lordstown Motors, down 12% Friday on that initiation and negative call from those analyst ratings. So again, tale of two EV names based on those analyst ratings. So keep an eye on both of those as, we head into the new era of electric vehicles, and both look like they could be positioned to gain. Again, I do own shares of FSR as I believe it is going to have a breakout 2021 and 2022. So keep an eye on that one on your watch if you do not own shares. And then ARK Funds added more LGVW, now going to be Butterfly Networks, ticker BFLY. And then also sold some Virgin Galactic, ticker SPCE, which I do own shares in. This will be a trend to watch to see if it was just a small sale of Virgin Galactic, as the fund, changes its positions around being an active fund, or if this could be a sign that Cathie Wood is taking gains in Virgin Galactic, or perhaps she saw the news on Friday as a negative. So shares of Virgin Galactic did sell off 8% on Friday. They are delaying that next flight. So keep an eye on that one. We've talked several times, when they delayed their flight before, when they had that failure before, shares did dip and provide a buying opportunity. So again, nothing's changed with the long-term plan for Virgin Galactic. So if you believe in the long-term story, you had a dip and a possible buying opportunity on Friday. We had a couple deals announced on Friday. So FCAC shares ended down 4%, and Fuse, FUSE, down 5% on Friday. So a common theme we are now seeing where these deals that are announced are not getting that sustainable one-day pop. So it looks like, we get that pop early in the morning, either on the rumor or when that deal is announced. And by the time the end of the day comes, sometimes those shares are trading down. Also, a lot of these deals are, coming from existing rumors. So they're already having that built-in premium to the share price, which means maybe there's some profit taking there as well. So keep an eye on that trend. We'll talk more about that when we get to rumors. So a stock to watch that we highlighted last week, RTPZ. This is the second SPAC from Mark Pincus and Reid Hoffman. It was a big mover Friday, but I think this one is going to go higher this week and get more attention. So I just had an article published that Mark Pincus and Reid Hoffman have launched their third SPAC now. So RTP first, RTPZ second, and now RTPY will be the third SPAC from that group. So RTP is being linked to Joby Aviation and Hippo. Again, we'll cover more in the rumor section today, but they did file for that third SPAC. So it looks like RTPZ could be the one to trade now, with RTP having the rumors and that third SPAC coming, so some built-in premiums coming there as well. We saw a record number of new SPACs filed on Friday, many of them coming from teams that have done previous SPAC deals or have SPACs currently searching for targets. Again, seeing huge numbers for both filings and then deals. So 12 deals announced last week, record number of filings on Friday. So no stopping SPACs right now. Again, we are not seeing as high of gains from those deal announcements, but if you're following the trends, if you're following your investment strategy and plan, capitalizing on your risk reward, there's plenty of money to be made right now in SPACs.